今天我们要分享的手指操呢叫 Two Little Blackbirds。后面呢我们会对这个小儿歌进行一些改编，会有一些成对的反义词出现在里面。下面让我们开始吧。预备起。Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Two little black birds sitting on a hill. One named Low and one named High. Fly away, Low. Fly away, High. Come back, Low. Come back, High. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Fast. One named Slow. Fly away fast. Fly away slow. Come back fast. Come back slow. 当然呢，这个手指操呢，也可以用唱歌的形式唱出来。比如说是这样的 ：Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. 好啦，今天就到这儿吧，拜拜。
拜拜。